Many times we go through life believing that we are like the white pencil, that we are not useful at all. We couldn't be more wrong. We are all useful for something. Just like the white colored pencil, with which we could create amazing drawings if we set our minds to it, of course. As you can see, it's a matter of observation, practice, and ingenuity. If the white color doesn't stand out on a white sheet, then all you need to do is use a black background. We must keep in mind the lights and shadows. We focus on drawing the light areas, varying the pressure of the pencil to create soft lights or midtones. And for the dark areas, considering that the background is already dark, we simply don't run the pencil over that spot. Hayo. If you try to make a drawing with a white pencil, you'll realize that it can actually be even easier than most techniques, since you're only using one material. Since you can't blend this type of drawing, because we're only using a white color. The secret to achieving a more realistic effect is varying the pressure of the pencil. That way, we achieve several tones and get that 3D-like effect in this case. To draw this kitten, what I did was mostly make dots and some small lines, sometimes varying the pressure, making some lines lighter than others to give that shiny effect, as if they're brighter and therefore stand out more, creating that 3D-like effect. Basically, this drawing was mostly about making little hairs and some dots. It was mainly based on that to achieve this effect. Perfect. And if you want to learn drawing tips and tricks, I'll leave you a playlist that I know will be very useful for you.